In this video, we're going to take you through a full beginner's guide to spot trading with Bybit. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to create an account, secure it, buy crypto with the likes of a credit or debit card or bank transfer, send crypto to Bybit, create simple buy and sell trades with market and limit orders, earn passive income with their Earn product, withdraw your crypto, then finally how to cash out of Bybit. And we'll have a timeline in the video description for those looking to jump to specific parts of this tutorial. First up, a little bit about Bybit. Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange that launched in 2018, and it's one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges with over 15 million users worldwide. With Bybit, you can buy, sell and trade the most popular coins on their spot and derivatives platforms. And they support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum and many altcoins, ensuring a comprehensive trading experience. For those who are new to the world of crypto and don't already have any to get started with, you can buy crypto directly from their platform using a credit card, bank wire, or through their peer-to-peer or P2P exchange. And Bybit also offers options trading and leverage tokens, catering to a variety of trading strategies and preferences. Bybit's Earn feature provides multiple ways to earn passive income, and this includes flexible and fixed savings terms, DeFi mining, dual asset mining, and liquid mining, each offering varying returns based on your risk level. For those interested in Web 3.0, Bybit offers its own wallet and decentralized exchange, and you can also explore, buy and trade unique NFTs with creators worldwide on their NFT marketplace. In addition to trading, Bybit has expanded its services to include educational resources through Bybit Learn, where users can access articles, tutorials and webinars to enhance their trading knowledge. Now, Bybit is available on desktop and via a mobile app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store. For the purposes of this tutorial today, we're going to be showing you the web platform. And for those that are brand new to Bybit, I'll have a link in the summary that you can use, and this may be promotional depending on the time that you're watching this video. To sign up to Bybit, you head across to bybit.com, and you're going to need to enter in an email address and create a strong, secure password, then agree to the terms and conditions. And here is where you can enter a promo or referral code. You can also sign up with a mobile number or Google or Apple account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll then reach the homepage, which can be reached at any time by clicking on the Bybit logo in the top left. And one of the first things that we'd recommend doing before you go ahead and start depositing, buying crypto or trading funds is to secure your account, which you can do under your profile icon in the top right, which looks a bit like a Head and Shoulders. Then go to Account and Security from the drop-down. And here is where you can configure SMS authentication for logins, password resets, etc. Or under Advanced Protection is where you can use Google Authenticator for a high level of security, which I've already enabled. And I've got a separate tutorial for how to use this if you want to find out more about the setup. In terms of verification and KYC, to use Bybit, you can sign up with just basic information. However, to get more benefits, you're going to need to upgrade your account and provide personal information such as your photo ID and proof of residence. Once your account has been secured, let's take a look at how we can start trading and buying. Now, one thing to mention is that Bybit is predominantly a crypto-to-crypto exchange, meaning that you're going to need to have some crypto in Bybit to get started with. However, if you are brand new to crypto, don't let that put you off, as there are other ways that you can buy crypto with your traditional currencies like euros or GBP, which you can reach by heading to Buy Crypto at the top of the screen. Then choose One Click Buy. And there's over 65 fiat currencies and 100 cryptocurrencies that you can buy from. Just note that you might need to upgrade your verification or complete a questionnaire to buy with certain limits. To buy, enter the amount that you'd like to spend, then choose your fiat currency from the drop-down. Next, you want to choose your crypto that you want to buy, and you can select from the likes of USDT, USDC, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the conversion will then display. Then you select your payment method, And with the likes of euros, you can choose from a fiat balance, Google and Apple Pay, and bank card. And these will vary depending on your currency. Now, one thing to be aware of here is that this won't be the cheapest way to buy your crypto, as you're going to be dictated to in terms of the rates that are provided by their third-party providers. And these are generally not as good as when you're trading. There's also different rates if you were to deposit a fiat balance and pay in this way than for bank transfers, Apple Pay, etc. When choosing fiat deposit, you'll then be prompted for ways that you can deposit euros, which will vary depending on your currency again. Alternatively, if you already have some crypto that you want to trade with, you're going to need to deposit and essentially send this to Bybit. To deposit, head across to your profile icon now and choose Deposit. Then deposit again under My Assets. Under the coin drop-down, you'll see there's a whole host of cryptos that you can select from the list and deposit into Bybit. So here you can select the crypto that you own and you want to deposit. In my case, that's going to be the stablecoin USDC, which I have in a wallet. Underneath, there's a list of chains or networks for the specific crypto that you're sending, because some cryptos can be sent on multiple networks to help to reduce on fees. And it's really important that you select the correct network from the list of options here, because in the world of crypto, transactions are non-retractable. So it's essential that you know which network you're sending your crypto from, or essentially withdrawing on. Once you've selected your crypto and your network, you may then need to acknowledge that you know your deposit will go directly into your spot account. And this is where you'll now find your wallet address to send your crypto to, which comes in the forms of a QR code or an address that you can copy. And you then just either paste it or scan it to send it across. Just make sure that if you are copying, you get the address exact, else you do risk losing your funds. And if you're feeling a bit nervous, it's worth sending a smaller test amount first before sending across all your crypto. I'm going to send some USDC now across to my account. And once that's all gone through and confirmed, if I head across to my profile icon again, then Assets, and Spot. Here is where all my crypto is displayed. And you'll see the different wallet balances in here too. So I've now got some USDC in my account. But what if I wanted to trade that for Bitcoin instead? Well, that's what we're going to look at now. If we head to Markets from the top of the screen and choose Market Overview. Then further down the page, if we choose the Spot tab, as that's where we're going to be looking to do a simple trade today, and we're going to cover more advanced trades with derivatives and margin in a separate tutorial, as it is slightly out of scope for this beginner's guide. Under Spot now, you're going to find the available trading pairs, which are essentially what you can trade from and to. We've got USDC, so I'm going to select that from the tab at the top of the screen now. And here you'll see that Bybit do have a promotion at the moment of 0% trading fees when you trade with it. And sometimes if there isn't a direct trade, you might need to swap from one crypto to another first, and then to the crypto that you actually want. But I want to make a direct trade today from USDC to Bitcoin, so I'm going to click on that pair name now. And you're then going to be taken to the trade screen. Now I know that this can look a little bit daunting with lots of flashing lights and graphs, so let's take a look around the screen so I can explain what you're looking at. First, you have your market or your trading pair in the top left, which is essentially the two tokens or coins that you're swapping from and to, which is Bitcoin and USDC. It then shows the price, which is constantly changing, and its equivalent in USD underneath. To the right is the 24-hour change, high, low, turnover, and the daily interest amounts. And these are all specific to the pair that we've chosen. Underneath this are charts where you can search over specific periods of time so you can analyse the markets in terms of trades. To the right is the order book, with potential sell orders in red and buy orders in green. There's then the order section at the bottom of the screen, which we're going to return to shortly when we start making some trades. Then over on the far right is where you can place your trades. And you'll see that this is in Spot at the moment. But more advanced traders can trade with margin up to 5x. However, this is more risky and it's not a subject for this beginner's guide. To place a trade, you're going to either be buying or selling your crypto. In this instance, we need to be on the buy side, as we're going to be buying Bitcoin with our existing USDC. And with Bybit, there are a few different order types. A market order places a trade immediately at the best available market price. Limit orders allow you to place an order at the price that you want to buy or sell at, and you just wait for the market to reach the price that you've set. Then TP and SL stands for take profit and stop loss, allowing you to place an order after the market reaches a specific value, which can help to reduce losses. When I click on the three dots here, you'll see that all spot trading fees are based on your VIP level, and unless you're trading a lot, the likelihood is that you're a non-VIP. Therefore, like me, your fees are at 0.1% regardless of your order type, and these fees are pretty cheap compared to those on some other leading exchanges. But as I said, at the moment there's 0% trading fees with USDC pairs. So I'm going to go ahead now and place a couple of orders so I can show you how to do this. The first is going to be a market order, which is the simplest type of order. With a market order, you simply enter the amount that you'd like to buy in the crypto you're trading from, or you can use the slider to select a percentage of your portfolio. I'm going to enter 50 USDC. Then click on the green Buy BTC, as I'm going to be buying Bitcoin with my USDC. It'll then show a summary, where you can confirm by choosing Buy BTC again. Or if you change your mind, you simply choose No. Your trade will then be placed immediately at whatever the current market price is. And our newly purchased crypto will then be available from your spot account, which you can reach from your profile icon, then Assets, and Spot, where you'll now see my Bitcoin balance. Next, we're going to take a look at how to buy with a limit order, so that you can define the price that you're buying at. So back to the trade screen now, and over on the right, make sure you're on the Buy tab at the top, then choose Limit. First, under the Order Price field, enter the price you'd like to buy your Bitcoin at, which would usually be below the current market price. And in this example, I'm just going to put in that I'd like to buy Bitcoin when the price reaches 59,000. Then we enter the amount of Bitcoin that we'd like to buy, or again you can use that slider underneath to select a percentage of your portfolio. Alternatively, you can enter in the amount in USDC under the order value. I'm going to enter 50 USDC again. And when you're ready, you can buy BTC. And then confirm again, where you're then going to need to wait for the market to reach the price that you've entered. And the order is then submitted and will be bought at 59,000. Now, whilst you wait, your order will remain open under your current orders at the bottom of the screen. And whilst it's still open and hasn't been filled, you can cancel an order by clicking on the cancel button. So that if the market changes in the wrong direction or you've made a mistake, you can cancel the order and try again. I'm going to set my buy price now to be a little bit closer to the current market price, just so that it completes and fills. And I'm going to re-enter the value at 50 and then buy. Then once the market has reached your price and the order has been filled, it'll then move from the current orders and show under order history here, with the order information and the previous trades and cancellations. And again, in the same way, the Bitcoin's going to appear in your spot account, where the Bitcoin balance has now increased. And selling your crypto works in exactly the same way, only in the reverse. You'd simply choose the Sell tab at the top now instead of Buy. And if it's a market order for an immediate order, you'll then state how much Bitcoin you want to sell and choose to sell BTC. Or alternatively, you can also reverse the limit order by choosing a price you'd like to sell at. And hopefully this is above the current market price or the price that you bought at so that you can make a profit. So here I'll put in the sell price of 59,065, which is above the buy of my market and my limit order from earlier. And then choose sell. And again, you're going to need to wait for the market to reach the price that you've entered. Now, once you've traded for your crypto and it's in your spot wallet, what you do with it is completely up to you. You can swap it for another crypto. You can just simply hold it, or you could earn interest on it with Bybit Earn, which you can reach by choosing Finance at the top of the screen and then Earn. With Earn, you can earn various interest rates on the crypto that you're holding, depending on your level of risk. For example, if you're holding USDC, which I am now as I've sold my Bitcoin, you can stake it and currently earn up to 7% with a flexible savings account. and that offer's available for amounts up to 500 USDC and only 2% for amounts higher than this. And just be aware here, if this is still in your spot wallet, you may need to transfer that to your funding account. It will then show the estimated APRs and yields, and you can choose to stake now, once you agree to the terms. Then you can view your viewed stake crypto under your holdings, which gives you the option to unstake from here because this is a flexible term that we stake with. However, if you stake with a fixed term, you may be locked in for a certain period of time. But what if you want to withdraw your crypto to the safety of a hardware wallet? Now, the reason I mention this is that it's not recommended that you keep your crypto on an exchange longer term, where you don't have control over your assets. In this case, you head across to your assets, and then spot, and find the crypto that you want to withdraw, and choose withdraw in the top right. So here, my coin is already selected for me. And you'll then need to add the address that you want to withdraw that to a withdrawal list if you haven't withdrawn before, by choosing Add a Withdrawal List from the bottom of the screen. Then choose Add from the top, and paste in the address that you're sending this to, and this may be your receive or deposit address from another wallet or platform. Then select the chain or network, which in the same way as depositing, will need to be correct for the address, the wallet, or the platform that you're sending it to. Once you confirm that, you're going to be able to withdraw to that address by selecting it from the list. Then enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw, and again, if you're feeling nervous, it's worth sending across a smaller test amount first. And the transaction fee associated to your withdrawal will then appear, and this is on a crypto by crypto basis. For this withdrawal, it's 5 USDC. When you're happy, you can confirm, and your crypto will then be sent to your destination address that you've specified. Now, if you are looking to cash out of your crypto, this isn't strictly possible because it's mostly a crypto-to-crypto exchange, but there is a workaround, which is by using the Buy Crypto option that we looked at the very beginning. This time, if we choose the Sell tab, you can state the crypto that you want to exchange for a fiat currency. Then state the currency you'd like to convert it to. And you can then sell that to your balance. And once you've completed this step, under Fiat Deposit, if you choose Fiat Withdrawal on the right, you could then withdraw your euros via SEPA to your bank account within 1 to 3 working days, or immediately when you have something called a Zen account. But that completes our beginner's guide to Bybit.